And I want to give a overall view of this. This is a very large layout. Not the largest here, but also it's one of the most complete. There's the square car. And there's the Kansas City Southern hopper cars, the Southern Bells. And look here, the Fred. That is interesting. Love this double stack.
Whoa! I'm sorry, wasn't paying attention. Looks like we're coupled.
Oh. Oh, they have some other interesting engines here. New York Central. Interesting. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Here's one more train coming through. We'll get that one. Oh, it's a Via train. I'm going to follow this because that's interesting. I have that same engine. These are the more modern Via Rail coaches. And that train seems to have been stopped, so I gotta get a chance to have a better look at it while it's there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. And look at that. I keep saying I'm going to stop it, but I see something new all the time. Have a good day.